it was a process, but all of this turned into this. So we just remodeled our son's bedroom, and he is all into sports, so he has the comforter and the football and the basketball and all of the sports. But the two pieces that I'm really happy with are this new bed frame. He desperately needed a new bed frame, so we got this one. It was so easy to put together. I actually put it together myself, and it is quality. Like, it's really sturdy, and I also love that there's so much room underneath. It was actually cool because they had like a few different options. They had a 14-inch, 16-inch, and 18-inch for how tall you could do. And so I just got the 14-inch option. But if you like live in a small apartment or something like that and you need more room, you could get a tall bed frame, and it's good quality. This is going to last us a long time. I'm excited about it. So the other thing, I didn't want a frame with a headboard, but if you wanted to put one in, or if we want to put one in the future, we definitely can, because there's holes for it. So it's there. And then the other item in this room that I really loved was this little bedside table, and I put this together myself too. I liked this because this was just open storage, and it doesn't have drawers so that it gets crammed with random stuff. I like that he can just easily see all of the stuff that he needs for bedtime. Like this little guy, this is actually his calm down toy. It's silicone. This is his breathing guy, which he just plays with when he needs to calm down. And it's also really cool like at nighttime too, because if you turn off the lights, it's pretty much like a night light. The battery is going out, so it's blinking like that rapidly, but usually it's slower. But anyway, back to this. I loved this because it has rounded corners, and my son is 10 and he's kind of rowdy, and I know he's probably going to end up jumping on this at some point, but he won't get hurt because they are rounded and not sharp. And it's just adorable. It just fits in the space so well. And I liked that it had 1, 2, 3 shelves in it, just enough to hold his things for bedtime. He does have an Alexa, which he's using in the living room right now, but that'll go up here, and then he can listen to it on his headphones. But really loved that purchase. That was definitely worth it. Very quick to put together too, which I was pleasantly surprised about. So yeah, this is just a perfect put together room for him, and I'm really, really happy with how it turned out, especially because of this bed frame. It's going to last us a long time, and I don't have to worry about it, and he is going to love it. So if you're looking for a bed frame that's quick to put together and will last you a long time, that's made well, I would definitely check this one out. And if you need a small side table that has open storage like that, rounded corners, and it's made well, I would definitely check that out too, because highly recommend all of it. So hi! The link is in the description below. Hit the like button if you liked this video, and subscribe if you want to hear more things that I dropped for reviews. Everything that I review is something that I personally use and love, so follow along on my journey, and I would love to have you. So we will see you next time. Bye.